How to fix Spotify sound quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify sound quality on Android phone. First open Spotify and then go to this icon here, this settings icon in top corner, click on it, and here maybe you'll find this one here, you'll find it like that. Now on it to just disable it, audio quality, disable it, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then apps again, and go to Spotify. Now just force stop and clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, maybe your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.